quarter.
Number 3, Mason Lal, number 8, basket by number 8. Number 10. Number 10 and 11, Mason Lal, outside. Number 3. Pass to number 12, basket by number 12. Number 4, being number 11, Tumira, and up, mama number 3. Number 3, Tumira 3, mama number 4. Number 4, mama number 8. Number 1. Number 10. Pass to number 11. Number 10. Rebound by number 1. Take it number 8. Pass to number 3. Wala bola. Number 10. Take it number 4. Number 4, being number 2, basket by number 2. Number 3, lalapit. Number 10. Pero number 12, Tumira. Rebound by number 2. Number 10, bring number 2, number 2, bring number 10, bring number 11, Tumira, rebound, number 5, pass to number 2, rebound number 1. Number 1, diretso, rebound number 11. Number 3, Tumira, rebound number 2. Number 11, bola. Now number 3. Number 3, bigyan number 1. Wala bola. Number 10.
Okay.
Outside, substitution. Yes. Take the shot, rebound. Number 3, wala, rebound number 7. Number 7, basket by number 7. Number 12,
Wala.
rebound number 7. Number 9, basket by number 9. Number 12, basket by number 12. Number 1, pass to number 3, rebound by number 9. Number 8, wala po na, pero number 8 pa rin. Number 8, take 3, rebound by number 2, basket by number 2. Number 9, take number 7. Rookie number 11, take 3 point by number 11. Number 6, bigay ka number 5. Number 5 lalapit, bigay sa ilalim. Same ball. Number 2 inbound. Let's see number 8. Number 12. Number 12 lalapit. 5 seconds. Number 12. Rebound by number 9. Big number 6. Number 6. Basket by number 6.
Iwan isa.
Number 2. Big number 5. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to number 6. Number 6, foul. Number 11. Number 12 rebound. Bigay number 2. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Rebound number 7. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8 took the first. Rebound by number 11. Number 9 to throw. Bigay number 7. Number 7. Bigay number 7. Number 11 take 3. Rebound number 8. Number 8 lalapit. Number 8 pass to number 5. Basket by number 5. Number 9. Rebound number 5. Nakuha number 11. Number 6 to number 9. Balik number 6. Number 6 to number 9. Pass to number 7. Basket by number 7. Number 12, rebound number 7. Game ball, foul.
Paano yan? Nagkaluan? Ganito yung sinasabi ako.
Number 5. Let's get number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Basket by number 6. Number 9, bigay number 11. Kaya sa number 6, back to number 9, basket, kaya number 9. Number 5, lalapit, number 5, basket, kaya number 5. Tubig ang oras para sa ating first quarter. Number 7, bigay number 9, back to number 7. Number 7, basket para number 7. Number 5, rebound. Nakuha number 11, pass to number 9. Number 9 to number 2. Number 2. Basket by number 2. Fifty-five, 39. Lamang pa rin ng barangay. Number 8 take the 3. Rebound number 2. Rebound number 2. Number 6 ng bola. Number 6, 10 second shot. Pass to number 9. Number 9, basket by number 9. $50 seconds.
Ay!
Outside. Number 7, Elsa Bola. Taking number 6, taking 3. Imama number 3. Elsa Bola, nakalakan number 3, pass to number 2. Number 2 na lapit, taking number 7, number 7, basket, number 7. Number 3, number 2, 10 seconds. Number 11, basket, number 11. 5 seconds. Number 6, Elton first. Number 2, taking number 5. Number 5, Sundira. Ibang number 10. Ito to may number. Nakuha number 2. Number 5. Labas ka number 12. Number 12 na lapit. Ping ball.
Second quarter. Second quarter na.
Number 7, listangan na bola. Double D, number 7. Number 7, lumapit. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. It's outside. Number 11 na bola. Tingin number 2. Number 2 na lapit. Number 3. Tingin number 3. Number 3. Diretso. Number 3.
Ay.
Pero may ba? First free throw, no basket.
Oh.
Basket. Number 6. Number 6 na lapit. Number 6. Pinitilalit is number 7. Foul. Number 6. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. Lapre. Imama number 6. Number 3, dapat tayo number 7. Number 3, number 2, pass to number 7. Number 7, diretso. Big ball. Number 6 inbound. Tingin number 2. Number 2 na lapit. Wala ang bola. Wala number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Tingin lang. Number 2. Big ball. Number 3 pa, bigyan number 8. Number 8, labas mo na ang bola. Number 8. Number 8, 10 seconds shot clock. Bigyan number 3, tumirang 3. Foul. Number 8, umbikot, rebound na naman. Ito ka number 6. Tinagwa. Score pa rin natin yung P40 na pa rin ang barangay. Number 5, lalapit. Terus number 3. Number 3, tumira. Basket sa number 3. Number 3, basket sa number 3.
Ano yun?
Number 7. Lefty number 6. Number 6. Outside. Shot. Number 3 out. Number 1 in.
Bola!
Number 8, beginning number 5, station 3, rebound by number 11. Number 9, ng bola. Number 9, diretso. Number 9, tumira, rebound by number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Lalapit. Number 8, tumira, basket by number 8. Number 11, season number 6. Number 6, pass to number 5. Number 5, foul. Two shots. Out. Number 11 out. 10. Number 10 out. Number 4 pala. No basket. Basket. Labakan Number 10. Number 5, baby number 1. Terus bola, take the 3. Rebound number 6. Rebound number 7. Number 9. Number 9, basket by number 9. Number 8. Baby number 4. Bring number 6. Number 6. Bring number 7. Number 7 naman ang bola. Number 9. Set by foul. Ang barangay. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, basket. Number 9. Number 2, nawala ang bola. Nakuha na ng buwan. Number 1. Lalapit, number 1. Rebound, number 1 ulit. Basket by number 1. Number 6 may out ng bola. Number 6, number 7. Number 7. 10-second shot clock. Bringing it to number 9. Number 9, Ligot, rebound, number 4. Number 2, bringing in number 1, bringing in number 12, number 12, basket by number 12. Number 10. Bring number 6, number 6. Goes to number 7, take the 3. 3 points by number 7. Number 1. Bring number 4. Number 4.